We get it. Vaping is expensive. And, you know, finding the best prices on devices is a hard thing to do, especially with so many retailers out there. What can the average person do to save a little money on new vape products?
Well, the average person could research where to buy their stuff.
And that takes a long time.
Price, yes. And usually it's not always from the same site.
Right.
A lot of the time, you're not going to be able to buy from one site consistently, whether it has stock issues or their prices aren't the best for every single device.
Right, and there's reliability issues. Sometimes you go to a site and they'll just rip you off.
Yeah.
And it's the saddest thing possible, really.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what can you do instead of that?
Instead of that, you could just have us do the work for you. Go to our website, send us an email through the form on the website.
That's right. And we'll get back to you in one business day with the best links for the prices on the devices you're looking for.
If you're asking, you can come and you can ask for a specific device. We can look around for you for that. You can ask for recommendations. I like this, so what do you think I should buy because of that?
Or if you have any general vape questions, you just ask us, because people ask us a lot of questions in the comment section and they get lost.
We try our best to reply to them, but it's kind of a pain in the ass because
we get a fuck ton of comments every day, so
disappear sometimes. Like you open up the app and where the fuck did that shit go? I don't know,
But this is the most reliable way to get into contact with us. If you have any vape-related questions, or if you're looking for a good deal on vape products.
Yes.
Now, we also have a mailing list. So if you want, you can opt in for that and get weekly discounts and deals sent directly to you from us, based what we think is nice and what we think is cool, what's good, what's interesting.
And give you a little rundown on everything, all that kind of shit.
That's right.
So you get a little bonus in addition to all of the content we are throwing at you weekly right now on this channel.
That's right.
You get a little written one too.
So do that, www.fugginvapeboys.com, and you'll be set. Yeah, far up. So go there or be square, and make sure to hit that subscribe button too, because we're helping you out. Might as well help us out a little bit.
Like button too. That'd be cool. Smash it. Just take your thumb, go like this, right through your fucking computer.
And you know what? If you have friends who also are into vaping and they need a little help, share the love. Send it their way, and we'll help them out. We'll help them get in with the best thing they need. Get them off them stinky ass cigarettes.
We always want them to be off the stinkies. And if we can help you save some money on the way, then that's what we're here for.
Perfect. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.
Peace out.